Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In this video, we will guide you through the replacement process of a rear shock for a Mercedes-Benz GL-Class X164 with Airmatic and without ADS, excluding AMG, with an Arnott part. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead and then raise the vehicle to remove the applicable rear wheel. Now locate and disconnect the air spring's airline connection to relieve stress from the suspension. Remove all applicable trim panels in the rear cargo area to gain access to the upper shock mounting fasteners. Reference the manufacturer's instructions for removal of interior paneling. With the trim panels removed, lift the insulation to gain access to the top mount nuts. Now loosen and remove the top mount nuts. Next, loosen and remove the lower shock mounting bolt, followed by the old shock. Tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer specifications during the installation process. Start the installation by installing the new Arnott shock and reinstall the lower mounting bolt. Complete the remaining installation in the reverse order of removal. Reference manufacturer specifications and installation instructions for interior panels and torque specifications. Complete the remaining installation in the reverse order of removal. Reference the manufacturer's specifications and installation instructions for interior panels and torque specifications. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the rear shock of a Mercedes-Benz with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.